we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Wansimoo Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. Consists of the following features. Upgraded powerful suction. The mini vacuum has a strong suction power, up to 25,000 PA, which is twice that of ordinary handheld vacuum cleaners. This car vacuum cleaner high power helps you easily clean various small corners, suitable for car interior, kitchen, sofa, windows, and so on. Unique design. This handheld mini vacuum is equipped with a digital display, let you monitor power consumption at any time. 3 power settings for you to choose. You can adjust the suction power via the display screen to deal with different types of dirt. Besides, with foldable designs, you can empty the dust cup without getting your hands dirty. Fast charging. Portable and cordless design make this mini vacuum convenient to be charged anywhere, whether in the car or at home. Equipped with a Type-C charging cable, the handheld vacuum can be charged with a USB slot, and this car vacuum cleaner high power adopts 6000 mAh battery, and supports Type-C charging. It can be quickly fully charged in 3 hours. Detachable filter. This mini vacuum features with a HEPA filter, which is more durable than ordinary filters. Featuring a washable, reusable filter, the easy-to-remove and install design facilitates regular cleaning and helps maintain long-lasting suction performance. We also provide a spare filter. Multi-use design. The mini vacuum cleaner is equipped with 4 functions: suction, blowing, inflation and vacuuming. Strong suction power to thoroughly clean every inch of space. Unique blowing design, to deal with different cleaning challenges. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.